Welcome to the High Life, innovating homes and elevating lives. Leading the way is Heidi Black, CEO of High Performance Restoration. Ready to level up your home improvement and your life? Follow us and let us know what inspired you. Let's live high and elevate together.
Ready to learn how high-performance restoration can turn your home into a fortress? From roofs that can withstand Texas storms to windows that keep your energy bills in check. Let's dive into the impressive list of services. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Sophia Yvette, co-host/producer, back in the studio with Heidi Black. Heidi, how's it going?
Hey, Sophia. Great. Glad to be back. Thank you.
Well, glad to have you back. So Heidi, what services does High Performance Restoration offer?
So when we started as High Performance Restoration, a lot of people would say, well, what is restoration? So specifically what we found over the years is where we really shine is on the exterior of the property. We do residential and commercial, and our emphasis is in roofing, solar, and windows.
If your roofs could talk, what would they say about their first day on the job?
Well, we're one of the few roofers who will say, we are looking to replace your roof less often. So it would say, I'm going to withstand Texas weather better than my peers, better than the other roofs in the area.
Do you offer a no more leaky gutter guarantee, or is it just a heartfelt promise?
We absolutely do. In fact, we have a 5-year guarantee of no leaks for up to 2-inch hail. So we get a lot of these smaller, relatively mild hailstorms in the area. And what we find is lesser roofing systems will not withstand that. They will actually get a lot of damage, whereas ours will hold up in a lot of the storms. Even our standard upgraded roofing system that we put on all of our roofs will outlast your neighbor's roof.
And can your solar panels provide shade for a barbecue?
Great question. No, they do more than shade. Solar's come a long way. So if you're interested in solar and you just want to understand energy in general and the benefits, reach out to us because there's a lot of misconceptions out there about solar and what it's been and what it is now.
And what's the funniest thing you've ever found when doing a roof inspection?
Oh gosh, we didn't talk about this beforehand. The funniest thing, shoot. What I will say is we've found up to 5 layers of underlayment. So underlayment is what's underneath your shingles. And a lot of roofers do not remove it. We tear down to the decking every single time. So what that does is we can see what's really underneath that layer of felt or underlayment, because sometimes there's rotten decking, there's mold. And so it's not really funny, right? You asked me what's the funniest, most odd thing, but that's just something a lot of roofers don't take the time to do. We actually tear down to the decking so we know what we're dealing with. We start with a fresh slate. And then if we need to replace some of your decking, we'll do that prior to beginning the roofing system.
And if your team had a theme song, what would it be?
Oh gosh. Well, we like to have fun in the office and we work hard and we play hard. So I like big roofs and I cannot lie is one of our, anyway, we're going to do a whole thing about it.
Love it, Heidi. Well, we'll catch you on the next episode. Have a wonderful rest of your day.
Awesome. See you soon.
Thanks for tuning in to The High Life, where we're innovating homes and elevating lives. Inspired to take action? Call or text us at 469-415-9740 or visit hprtexas.com for 10% off your first service when you mention this podcast. Stay high and keep elevating.